Hello, what's up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast card. In today's video, we will be checking out the 2019 Fordranger from the Matchbox moving parts line. As you can tell, this is Matchbox moving parts made from recycled metal, and as you can tell, he uses this cardboard packaging, not the blister packaging or anything. There's the car right there. It says Ford right there as well out there. So yeah, there's the car. So the only way for you to get the car out of the packaging is basically by taking it apart, stripping. So anyway, you have to open it, and there is the Fordranger. What you do is you push it from inside, and it will come up right here. So if I'm not mistaken, this Fordranger actually has two opening parts. If I'm not mistaken, there should be two opening parts. And yeah, this is the Fordranger Raptor right here in gray. I mean more to like silver. So the first opening part would be the hood. Opening hood, pretty simple to open. I mean, it's pretty loose and it has lack of detail actually. Yeah, not much detail on the hood right there. Another neat little detail is the opening bed at the back right here. The tailgate, I guess you can say that, yeah. So yeah, that's two opening parts basically. And it has lack of detail basically. Because it has two opening parts, they have given this Ranger a lack of detail, which I'm going to talk about in a bit. Yeah, let's put it on the turntable first. So there it is, the Fordranger Raptor. We saw that metal flake silver. So yeah, overall reminds me of Hot Wheels Fordranger Raptor, but yeah, this is made by Matchbox, so there is quite a substantial difference, as you can tell. Yeah, let's take a look at this Fordranger right here. So here's the side of the Raptor. As you can tell, pretty clean, nothing much on the side. You have these big off-road wheels right here, which are plastic by the way. And you have a chrome silver lining right there. I mean, it's not technically chrome, but still it's a silver lining. Overall pretty interesting. You have the side windows right here. You have the side mirrors right there as well. Let's move on to the front. So you do have the headlight details, you have the front grille, yeah, which is I believe a separate piece. Looks to me like it's plastic, I'm not sure. But yeah, front grille right there with the Ford logo right there. And yeah, like I mentioned earlier, it does have a opening feature, which is the opening hood, which is to me personally is quite loose, to be honest. Not much detail into the engine. It didn't really do much detail, but I guess it's fine. Yeah, blacked out interior, regular windshield tint. Overall not too bad, nothing on the roof or anything. And yeah, that was the front and the roof. Here is the side right there, not too bad. Moving on to the back, there's the other moving part feature, which is the opening bed right there at the back, which is not too bad. So yeah, that's also an opening feature. Sadly, they did lose some detail at the back right here. No rear lights. Sadly, no license plate detail, no Ford logo, sadly. And yeah, nothing in the bed or anything. Not like Hot Wheels, not Hot Wheels likes to do like interesting detail in the back right here, but no, not for Matchbox this time. So moving on to the base, you have a blacked out plastic base right here. 2019 Fordranger, Matchbox, 2019 Mattel, and made in Thailand. I can't really make the hood open by itself because it's too loose. Couldn't really stay open that much. But yeah, you already saw the hood open right there just now, and also the bed open just now as well. So I'm just gonna put it on the turntable like this. Yeah, overall this pickup truck is not really that bad. I quite like it a lot actually. The only part that lacks a lot for this Ranger is basically the rear lights, which is missing, and that's basically it. Other than that, overall it's pretty sick. Yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Fordranger Raptor by Matchbox moving parts. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon, bye bye.